Hey everyone, my name is Joshua Guarin from BIT ALX1B. So for today's video, I'm going to explain about Kenken. So mapapansin po natin ang Kenken na isang puzzle. Parang ganyan. So paano nga ba natin ito sasagutan? So halimbawa, 3 minus. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then dito 3 times 2 is equal to 6 times 4 is equal to 24. And dito 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And dito naman 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Then dito 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Dito naman kailangan naman natin silang i-subtract. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And dito 7 plus, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7.